Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to our hearts: the incredible power of gratitude. You might be thinking, gratitude? What's so special about that? Well, stick around, because we're about to show you just how transformative practicing gratitude can be in every aspect of your life. Before we jump right into it, let's take a moment to define what gratitude is. Gratitude is more than just saying, thank you. It's a state of being, an attitude, a mindset that involves acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of life, even amidst challenges. It's about recognizing the goodness that surrounds us and expressing genuine thanks for it. Did you know that science actually backs up the power of gratitude? Studies have shown that regularly practicing gratitude can have profound effects on our mental and physical well-being. When we focus on what we're thankful for, our brains release chemicals like dopamine and serotonin, which boost our mood and overall happiness. Not only that, but gratitude can also reduce stress levels and improve sleep patterns. It's like a natural antidote to the stressors we face in our daily lives. Now, here's something amazing about gratitude. It doesn't just benefit us individually. It has a ripple effect on our relationships and communities too. When we express gratitude to others, it fosters a sense of connection and strengthens our bonds. It's like a chain reaction of positivity. Gratitude has the power to transform not only our own lives but also the lives of those around us. So, why not spread a little gratitude and see the magic unfold? Now that we understand the power of gratitude, let's explore some simple yet effective ways to incorporate it into our daily lives. Gratitude journal. Keeping a gratitude journal can be a game changer. At the end of each day, jot down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be as simple as the warm sun on your face or the kind words of a friend. Gratitude walk. Take a stroll outside and use this time to focus on the things you're grateful for in nature: the beauty of flowers, the sound of birds chirping, or the feeling of the earth beneath your feet. Expressing thanks. Make it a habit to express appreciation to those around you, your family, friends, colleagues, or even strangers who have helped you in some way. Gratitude meditation. Set aside a few minutes each day to meditate on gratitude. Take deep breaths, reflect on what you're thankful for, and let the positive emotions fill you up. Gratitude has had a profound impact on many people's lives. We reached out to some of our viewers and asked them to share their experiences with practicing gratitude. Isn't it amazing to see how gratitude has touched their lives in such meaningful ways? It just goes to show that anyone can experience the transformative power of gratitude. As we come to the end of this video, we hope you've been inspired to embrace the power of gratitude in your life. Remember, it's not about waiting for big moments to be grateful. It's about finding joy and appreciation in the little things every day. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember to be grateful, be kind, and spread positivity wherever you go. See you in the next video.